With my ever-changing workflow on YouTube, inevitably I need some new gear. I've recently started collaborating with an editor and need to be able to send this person files. So I need a large SSD external USB-C drive. We're going to record the audio on the TC-777 from TONOR. They were so gracious enough to send that for this video. I'm also going to do speed disk tests on this drive to see how fast it is and if it might be good gear for your workflow.
My name is Eric Strebel. Welcome to my channel about product design and making.
This episode's sponsor, PCBWay, offers quality printed circuit boards with many special features, including thick copper, multi-layer special stack-up structure, and shaped holes. They'll be celebrating being in business for 6 years and offering discount coupons and giveaways. Follow them on social media to stay informed on the latest about their anniversary celebration. Click the link in the description to get your next project started. Big or small, simple or complex, PCBWay can help.
So let's unbox it. Desk microphone, service card, page 1 through 8. It's in the box. So we got a little pop filter here. Stretchy pop filter. Looks like it's all in one. Alright. So that's problem number 1. I need an adapter. So it's built in its own little shock mount. We got this little pop filter, McJobby thing. An adapter. Since I'm all USB-C. So that would be something that you want to change, and it's a connected cable, which I don't really like either. Because if something happens, you gotta toss the whole microphone. Alright, plug this bad boy in. Now we have the correct audio source selected for the toner. And we can also put the little foam thingy over the top. This may also improve audio quality a little bit, reduce some echo. So we'll see how this sounds. Hopefully this sounds better. One terabyte Samsung 860 EVO SATA, and the Orico 2.5-inch USB-C type 10 gigabits max. So this is the newer one, I think the 3.1 version. So it has a little bit faster throughput. Yup, USB 3.1 type C. So this is going to allow me some flexibility, right? Back and forth to somebody, and they're just too big to move around uploading and downloading. And so I need to build some hard drives that I can pop in the mail and send out so stuff can be edited. So all part of my process of making YouTube videos and designing on YouTube and making and building, this is part of that process, is managing your data, managing your workflow, and staying on top of things. So a drive like this is great. I can swap it out and use it and upgrade in the future should I need to. This Orico drive, you see lots of reviews and stuff on YouTube about this. So it comes with some cables, nice USB to USB-C cable, which I don't really need, but it'll come in handy for something else, I'm sure. Put that aside. And then it comes with this rather short USB-C to USB-C cable. If you're wondering about this cutter right here, I did a video about this already on YouTube. It's 3D printed and it's made just for a small utility blade in such circumstances when you need a little bit of control and a stiffer blade. It's just compact as well. So this is the cable, not super long, but probably long enough for even for my application. So let's check out the drive. Some sort of instructions. Thanks for choosing Orico. Bum, bum, bum. Some sort of instructions, QR codes, Chinese. With the warm prompt. Be careful for the warm prompt. This product, accessories, and package may optimize for better application performance. We sincerely sorry that they may not exactly match what's showing in manual and appreciate your please adhere to the original product and contact Orico customer care team if any further concern. Thank you very much. Huh. I assume that's supposed to be the warning prompt. That's quite different, of course, from the warm prompt. Alright, so, you know, I think hiring an English speaker is probably a good idea, even for the most basic product. Now, I believe this is a toolless thing, so no tools are required. You simply take this drive, pop it in here. I don't think I even need this foam. It's not loose or anything like that. This cover then slides back on the top, snaps shut, and you have yourself a hard drive. Alright, let's peel off the plastic. Ooh, yeah. For you ASMR freakheads out there. Hope you like that. A little more for you guys. Hold it right up to the microphone. Yeah, there you go. Shiny hard drive. Okay. So we just plug that in right here, and we'll plug in the other end.
I'm going to format the drive with disk utility in the macOS, rename it, and hit erase. It's pretty straightforward. For comparison purposes, I'm using the TONOR TC-777 in my vocal booth, unedited, without any filters or alterations on the vocals.
Let's fire up Blackmagic Select. Alright, 487 megabytes per second and 520 megabytes read. So very respectable, very good, on par with any other solid state drive that you're going to get. Those are fabulous read and write speeds for me. Very adequate for my needs. Faster than my Thunderbolt stuff that has traditional spinning drives in them, quite a bit faster actually, and should be fantastic for my needs for transferring data back and forth to my editor. You can see it has a little blinky read write light in there so that you can see when it's reading and writing to the disk, and then the blue light indicator is just for that it's connected or powered on. I like that it's on the bottom of the drive, so you can put this thing down and then it becomes very kind of subtle, and it doesn't you know, sort of contribute to the light pollution that's already going on, especially at nighttime or whatever, and those lights can be super annoying. So I appreciate the subtleness of that. So I will link to all the stuff in the description below for the Samsung drive and the Orico case on Amazon, as well as the TONOR microphone. We'll link to that as well. This was sponsored. They gave me this to keep and to use. This stuff I bought for myself, so this is not sponsored. The Samsung EVO drive and the Orico case, those things I paid for. So, but either way, I will leave description in the link below, and hopefully they will work for you. I hope you enjoyed this review with a little speed test and assembly. It's pretty simple, no tools required for either things. I just need an adapter for the TONOR. At under $40, I think it's an okay value for the money. Let me know in the comments below what you liked about the video, what you didn't like, if I should just stick to designing stuff. But I like including stuff about my regular workflow and sharing that because many of you find that useful. Feel free to leave a thumbs up. Thanks for all the comments and your support. Go make something.
Make sure you give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Rock on. Click here to check out some of the other design and making videos that I have that you might enjoy.